Alright guys, what's up? What's another YouTube video? We're just gonna get right into it. Trading the NASDAQ, obviously. We're gonna just do a replay. So this is the live right now. We're at 9 a.m. This is on the 4-hour time frame, so we're like low-key bullish. Obviously, we're now like retracing, so we might be. I think we're still bullish though, because saw all-time highs, kind of just retracing into probably something bigger. 1 hour. I mean, we got this bearish move right here. This is 11. Here's 8 or 9 a.m. So like literally like right in between here is like where we are. 30-minute, 15-minute. All right, let's exit. No, let's start a new replay. Okay, so now we're on the 15-minute time frame. Look at what we got here. So first thing we're gonna do is we are gonna get our draws of session liquidity. So we got our New York PM high right here. New York PM high. Then we have our Asia highs right there. And then we also have our London highs, which already got taken out. This is our Asia high. And then we have, so this is at 8:15. So these already got taken out. We got Asian highs and we got New York PM highs, and we have a swing high right here. So this is buy side liquidity right here. Any like huge 15-minute fair value gaps you got going on? And we got like like this one, and then like this one. Those two 15-minute fair value gaps, kinda, but like, we can mark them out. We can mark them out. Oops. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's low-key loud in the apartment because our windows are open and there's so many cars outside. It's a 15-minute bearish, and then we got another 15-minute bearish. Okay, any like sell side liquidity we got going on over here? Let's get rid of our kill zones right there. Sorry. Get rid of this notification. I mean, we kind of got like at this point, we kind of got like this right here. And that's just some sell-side liquidity. But anyways, let's continue. Let's go to the 5-minute. So where are we delivering from? We obviously taking out this sell-side liquidity right here. Come on. Yeah, I'm not that good at the computer, I'm not gonna lie. We got this sell-side liquidity they got taken out. And we got this sell-side, this sell-side liquidity that got taken out. So those two sell-side liquidities got taken out. And then we also have Asia highs right there and some buy-side liquidity right up here. Now we're just really making sure we're marking out our draws on liquidity, because that's going to be like where we'll be going. But yeah, then we got a 5-minute gap right here. And then, yeah, I mean, we got 5-minute bearish fair value gap right here. Hold on. All right, we got that right there. And that's pretty much it. I mean, we got more buy side. I'm just going to mark out all this buy side liquidity. That's what I'm going to do, just so I know where we're going to be heading. And then we're going to hop down on the 1 minute. And we are at 8:30 right here. So this is perfect. Okay. So now this next candle is gonna be market open, bro. So that's market open, right? Oh, that's the minute after market open. So market open was not terrible at 8:30. Then we have this right here, and we kind of got like some swing highs up here, but really we're looking for that higher time frame draw on liquidity. Then we're gonna keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh, yeah, we just keep going lower, just keep going lower. Dang. So we really take that out. Let's see here. We didn't really take out any draws. I mean, we really went to this 5-minute fair value gap. We swung into, we wicked this 5-minute fair value gap and kept going lower. Does that really do anything for us and how I trade? Not really. I mean, we could like see like, oh, this got a 2-minute. We swing into here and we take that out, but really that's not gonna do anything for me. I'm not gonna lie. Continue to keep going. So we take this draw on liquidity out right here, like right there. You see all this huge step up, and same with the 3-minute time frame and then the 5-minute time frame as well. So we have this huge move down. So what I would want to see is an inverse right now, right? This is right after market open. I would want to see an inverse right here on this 5-minute for value gap. And then we have a change in state of direction like right here. I would want it to inverse this for value gap, close above this, and then aim for this buy side. Or honestly, I would probably say aim for like this buy side liquidity. I mean, even this is like a swing high and this is a swing high. But we can see what happens here. We kind of just chopping around after that, keep going lower. I mean, yeah, so really we're not going to get anything. I mean, we didn't really inverse. We inversed. So this is at 7:40 a.m. We inversed this 5-minute gap. And then we kind of came back up, wicked this, and came back down. Probably wouldn't honestly have taken a trade today if we were gonna take some shorts. Let's see. The only thing is like I'm trying to do this like change of state of delivery here, and for the mech model we didn't take any like out any swing highs to come back down lower, right? This, I mean, we got this tiny swing high. I guess you could like kind of say like, oh, we took that out, we shot lower, but really I'm trying to focus on my model and stuff like that. Like I know like I saw a ton of things and like, oh, I took the Judas swing today. I took the Judas swing, perfect setup. I don't trade the Judas swing. I trade the mech model. But I'm trying to like do my own thing really. But yeah, I mean, after we take this out, I would have wanted to see something here and then hit all this liquidity up here and then continue to go higher on the NASDAQ. But I mean, we'll see what happens. We're still, I mean, let's see. I mean, we're not really taking out anything else. So we got this right here, and then like if we have this, so like this is sell side liquidity technically, right? Sell side liquidity. What took that out? This right here. Change in state of direction or delivery or whatever. But then if you hop down to a 3-minute, I would want to inverse this gap right here. I don't know if that would happen though. I'm gonna say, why isn't this playing out? Yeah, I mean, we're gonna continue to go lower. So, I mean, if we're looking for shorts, I want something to take out a swing high, and because we're taking out these swing lows, and we continue to go lower, right? This is a good continuation. And I would like here though. So let's go back over here, right? So I think maybe I'm overcomplicating it, but like let's delete that. We create a swing low right here, and so this is at 918. we have this 5 minute for value gap. Or let's go down to the 1 minute, right? So we come down, we miss this, because 8:30 right here, right? So like 8:30 creates this huge wick. Let's go back to 8:30 just in case I missed something, and maybe I'm just kind of blind or something. Get rid of this and get rid of this. So we got this huge 5 minute for value gap. So at 8:30 we create this huge gap right here on the 1 minute. Then we also have the 2 minute gap right here, and then I'm guessing no 3 minute gap. Inverse this gap right here, and then we could have taken this short, I guess. If you wanted to take this right here and then put this as 462. So that's on the 2 minute. We inverse the 2 minute gap after going lower after, so that's 8:30. After we shot up, inverse the gap back down, and then delivering. We should be taking out something there. I'm guessing that might be maybe on the 30-second. Like I see a lot of people trade on 30-second. I don't have the trading view package for a 30-second. I can only go down to 1 minute. But then I'm guessing you get stop or take profit here. There, boom. You could have taken that. The only thing is that like you don't really like hit. Oh my gosh, sorry. You don't really hit like liquidity on there. You don't have a draw liquidity. You only have draw liquidity right down here. Like you really like a perfect setup would be like boom, shot up, draw on liquidity, like take that out and then come back down and then take out the bias on the day. But let's keep going. So we have 1 minute here right here. We just keep making fair value gaps. You don't really come back up. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. No more fair value gaps. I mean, we have like this small one right here. Kind of make that swing low right there. Not really making any fair value gaps to the upside to inverse this again. You are making all these swing highs though. So I could probably expect on Monday or Sunday night we just go fucking crazy. Sorry for swearing, guys. Not made for kids. We have this inverse right here. Probably another, yeah, not really anything else on the other time frames. You could take those, but we're not taking anything out yet. So here we take out this swing high. We have a shift upwards. 2 minute fair value gap as well. Do we have a 3 minute? 3 minute fair value gap right there. Do we have a 5 minute? 5 minute fair value gap right there. So we have this. Boom, keep going. Okay, now listen. We don't have any more draws and liquidity down, but we obviously have stuff that we can take out, like all the way back here, if it will load. Like this can all get taken out, right? That's all liquidity. Is it gonna take it out? Probably not, but this could be a perfect setup if we had, I think, better targets of draws and liquidity. Because right, you got this 5 minute fair value gap, you got 5 minute fair value over here, so it's kind of like respecting this. Come back down. We have a change in state of delivery right here because we took out that swing high. Oh, here, I'll show you. I'll show you a better one. Let's go to 3 minute. Let's go to 2 minute. So we took out this swing high right here. Now, where did that happen? Honestly, where did that happen? On this drive up in upwards candles. In this series of upward candles, we took out this draw on liquidity. So this right where the series of bullish candles took out this draw on liquidity is where the change in state of direction comes, right? And we have this 2 minute inverse gap. We got a 3 minute gap that we can inverse, and we have a 5 minute gap we can inverse right there. So I'm not gonna really mark it out. Actually, you know what? I will mark it out for you guys. Right there. That's a 5 minute gap, right? You come in, you can this is where I would take my trade right here, right? I would take this short if I had real targets, obviously. Let's just say it's a 1% risk. You take this. Let's see what happens. You get stopped out. You barely get wicked out, and you kind of chop around, and then boom, you get taken out there. Let's just say you're risking a little more. You're doing 500 ticks. You would have gotten take profit. You would have taken profit there. If you wanted to protect your stop loss, boom, right there at the swing high right there. And then 462, let's just do 462. Boom, you would have got taken profit. That's where you should have been. That's where your stop loss should have been. This is how you learn. You know, you do this, protected high right here, your swing high, boom. You don't really take that out because you got this chain to stay delivery and another target down here really that you could have aimed for, but you would have got stopped out if you had the 1-to-1 ratio. But if you're doing your stop loss and then 1-to-1 ratio off of that, you would have had taken profit. So yeah, I mean, I don't know if I would have taken those just because I probably would have overcomplicated it, and I think I just really need to work on that. But yeah, that's how we learn, guys. So I'm gonna end the video here. We've been recording for 20 minutes. That's a long recap video. I'm sorry, guys. That's so long, but that's just where I'm gonna end it. I've been talking for a minute. But yeah, I'll see you guys on Monday, hopefully, and we'll buy another eval and hopefully pass it this time. But yeah, this is like a new strat I'm working on. And now, but yeah. See you guys on Monday. Have a good weekend. Have fun. Not too much fun. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.